PDF member and Cabinet Minister Hamletson Dohling joined the NPP on Saturday in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Rajya Sabha member W.R. Kharluki, Cabinet Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar and other senior party leaders. The former KSU leader joined NPP along with his supporters. Soon after joining NPP, he said that he will focus on developmental issues for his constituency besides pending issues including implementation of ILP. Meanwhile, NPP National President Conrad Sangma said leading the government with 6 partners and the independence was never an easy task, as he highlighted the problems associated with coalition politics in the state. Former PDF leaders Ivan Lumlang Marbanyang and Emlang Litan also joined the party. Hundreds of NPP supporters gathered at Umlingka ground for the joining ceremony of their local MLA.
And as you all know, Meghalaya's history with coalition politics is never easy, because all political parties and leaders will have their own interests, their own stand, their own areas of concern, their own way of handling situations. And hence, for a government to be able to carry everybody along sometimes is not the easiest thing.
Within a short span of time, Conrad Sangma has been here thrice, 3 times. We have great history by scoring a hat-trick in this locality in Umlingka. Because 3 times we have come here in Umlingka. This shows the love, the respect that we have to my people in Umlingka vicinity. And this shows that you are behind me to fight for this coming election.
The National